Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about things around us. This is a joyful science story for curious minds. Let's start with chapter 1, a very curious question. One bright morning, little Tara sat on her wooden bench in class. She looked around and wondered, what are all these things around me made of? Her bench, her book, her bottle, her clothes. Even the air she was breathing. Just then, magic. Everything around her began to talk. Here comes chapter 2, Meet the Natural Things. First, a piece of wood waved and said, I come from trees. I am a natural material. The cotton plant smiled and said, I give cotton for clothes. A rubber tree whispered, I give rubber for erasers and tires. Nearby, a sheep gently said, I give milk, and my hair makes wool. A buzzing bee added, I give honey. Tara learned happily, things that come from plants, animals, and the earth are called natural materials. Here comes chapter 3, Gifts from the Earth. Suddenly, the ground rumbled softly. Stones said, we come from the earth. Coal said, I help give energy. Crude oil said, I help make many useful things. Iron, copper and silver shouted together, we are metals. Tara clapped. So many things come from the earth. Here comes chapter 4, The Human-Made Friends. Now the paper book opened its pages and spoke, I am made by people, but I come from wood. Glass bottle said, I am made by humans using sand. Cement bag said proudly, I am made from limestone. Sugar smiled sweetly, I am made from sugarcane juice. A tiny chip whispered, I come from silicon, which comes from sand. Tara learned, things made by people are called human-made materials, but they are always made using natural materials. Here comes chapter 5, Hard or Soft. Let's find out. Tara touched different things. Wood said, I am hard. Metal said, I am also hard. Stone said, I am very hard. Then cotton giggled, I am soft. Paper said, I am soft too. Tara smiled, some materials are hard, and some are soft. Here comes chapter 6, Heavy or Light. Tara tried lifting things. Stone said, I am heavy. Iron said, so am I. But cotton said, I am light. Paper said, me too. Some materials are heavy and some materials are light. Here comes chapter 7, Liquids and Burning Materials. Water waved, I am a liquid. Oil said, me too. Then fire asked a question, who burns easily? Paper said, I do. Cloth said, me too. Wood said, me too. But stone said, I do not burn easily. Metal said, me neither. Tara nodded wisely. Here comes chapter 8, a very important habit. The paper book spoke again, I am made from trees. Please save paper. Tara promised to use both sides of paper. To reuse gift wrapping. To use cloth napkins. To collect and recycle paper. The earth smiled. Finally comes chapter 9, Tara's Big Learning. Tara looked around once more. She now knew. 1. Things around us are made of different materials. 2. Materials can be natural or human-made. 3. They can be hard or soft. 4. Heavy or light. 5. Solid or liquid. 6. Some burn easily, some do not. She said happily, everything around me has a story. The talking things whispered together, use us wisely. Take care of nature and keep learning with curiosity.